Did you know calcium does more than just build strong bones? It powers your muscles, supports your nerves, and even helps your heart keep ticking. But why are so many people still calcium deficient? And are there better options than milk? Hi everyone, welcome back to SR Health, where we decode health, fitness, and nutrition in ways that are both fun and easy to follow. Today, we are tackling calcium. How? Why it's vital, how deficiencies sneak up on us, and why milk isn't the ultimate calcium king anymore. Stick around till the end for some surprising calcium rich foods and tips to avoid kidney stones while maximizing absorption. Calcium isn't just for women or kids. It's the cornerstone of health for everyone. Whether you're a gym enthusiast trying to boost performance or someone aiming to prevent health issues, calcium plays a key role. But here's the twist. Most of us are deficient and we don't even know it. So grab a seat because this video is packed with science, food hacks, and a touch of Ayurveda. Why calcium is important? Let's start with the basics. Calcium is building blocks of bones and teeth. 99% of it is stored there, but it's also crucial for muscle contraction, nerve signaling, blood clotting, and even heart function. Without enough calcium, your body pulls it from your bones, leaving them weak over time, being brittle, bones, fractures, and even osteoporosis, which isn't just a woman's problem. So, why we get deficient? Here's the kicker. Despite calcium's importance, many of us are running low. Why? It starts with diet. Junk food and caffeine don't help. Plus, poor milk quality these days doesn't provide the same nutrients our grandparents got. Stress, aging, and even digestive issues like IBS or celiac disease can worsen the problem. Then, how to identify its deficiency? Think you are fine. Watch out for these symptoms: muscle cramps, brittle nails, fatigue, or even numbness in your fingers. Long-term deficiency can lead to serious problems like weak bones or fractures. So, identifying foods rich in calcium. Firstly, in vegetarian options, better than milk. So, forget just milk. These foods are calcium champions, which is ragi, also known as finger millet. 344 mg of calcium per 100 grams. Perfect for porridge or rotis. Leafy greens, kale, spinach, and moringa are loaded with calcium. Sesame seeds, tiny but mighty. Add them to salads or tahini. Almonds, great for snacks and smoothies. Tofu and soy products, calcium rich and vegan friendly. And coming to non-vegetarian, fish, a double dose of calcium and omega. Egg yolks, pair with vitamin D for better absorption. So, lastly, Ayurvedic wisdom. Ayurveda also gives us some calcium-packed options here, like drumstick leaves, calcium with bioavailability, amla, high in vitamin C helps calcium absorption quickly, shatavari and ashwagandha boost bone strength naturally. Then how to absorb calcium properly? Calcium absorption isn't automatic, it needs some help. Pair with vitamin D. Sunlight, fortified foods, and mushrooms are your best friends. Consume with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil to aid absorption. Avoid taking calcium with water alone to prevent kidney stones. Speaking of kidney stones, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water, throughout the day and balance calcium with magnesium to prevent excess deposits. Coming to summary, let's recap the essentials. Calcium is critical not just for bones but for your entire body, from nerves to muscles and even your heart. Modern diets and lifestyles often lead to deficiencies, but the solution lies in both traditional and wisdom and smart food choices. Skip the reliance on milk and embrace a variety of sources, from leafy greens to ragi and sesame seeds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who needs a calcium boost. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments. I love hearing from you. And remember, health isn't just a goal, it's a lifestyle. Stay tuned for more. Comment below your favorite calcium rich food and how you plan to include it in your diet this week. Thank you so much.